Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with D. Today we will see about exception handling in PLSQL. Its types and examples in detail. So let's start. Exception handling in PLSQL is a mechanism that allows a program to detect, manage, and respond to runtime errors that occur during the execution of a PLSQL block, without abruptly terminating the program. There are two types of exceptions, system-defined and user-defined, and its further classification as named and unnamed exceptions. Basic exception block syntax is as shown on the screen, here others block is optional. Here is the example to handle divide by zero exception.
Some exceptions are automatically raised by Oracle when a program violates a RDBMS rule. Those are system-defined exceptions. There are named-unnamed system exceptions. Named system exceptions are predefined exceptions in PLSQL that are automatically raised by the Oracle database when a particular error condition occurs during program execution. Unnamed system exceptions are Oracle runtime errors without predefined names in PLSQL. They are identified by error numbers and must be handled using pragma exception _init, which assigns name to it. User-defined exceptions are custom exceptions created by the programmer to handle business rule violations. They are declared in the declaration section and raised explicitly using raise keyword. Here in the example, invalid salary exception is declared using exception keyword and triggered using raise keyword. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel if not yet done.